Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix DoorDash unable to verify identity issue with some simple and effective steps. If you're stuck on verification, first make sure you are using a clear and valid government-issued ID and check that all details are readable without blur or glare. Next, ensure you are taking the photo in good lighting and your face is clearly visible if a selfie is required. After that, check your internet connection because a weak or unstable connection can cause verification to fail. Now try restarting the DoorDash app or reinstalling it to fix any temporary bugs. Also, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. If the issue still continues, wait for some time and try again because servers can be busy. Finally, contact DoorDash support through the app and submit your documents again, and your identity verification should be completed successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.